everybody and welcome. Oops, I'm sorry. Hello everybody, how are you? My name is Mint and welcome to a new LOL Surprise Toys tutorial. Today we are gonna make another LOL doll family. Today we are gonna do this LOL surprise that we have here. She is Sugar Queen and she is, I believe, from the second season, and we are gonna make her family. Woohoo! We are going to make her little sister because I don't have the little sister version of Sugar Queen. We are gonna make it today. And we are also going to make Barbie. Woo! We are gonna make Sugar Queen's mom. It's going to be super fun to do. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want more toys. We are going to have videos more often. I'm working on that. We are going to have unboxing, toys, stories, and tutorials as well. So now we are gonna start. Let's see if we start with Barbie or should we start with the little sister. I believe making the little sister is a little bit easier, so let's start with the little sister. Follow me. For the little sister, we are gonna start by painting the hair. We need a gray base, that's why we are gonna use this color. When the little sister is completely gray, well, only the hair, we are going to let it dry. And after that is a fun time because we are gonna add the glitter, this beautiful glitter that we have here. In the meantime, for Barbie, I have this skirt. We are gonna paint the skirt gray. We need to paint all the skirt gray. We let it dry and we are also going to add the beautiful glitter that we have. When we are done, we are gonna let it dry and we are going to start working on the shirt. For the shirt is a little bit too long, so we are gonna cut it like this. Once we cut the shirt, we are going to paint everything pink. We are going to paint everything and we are gonna let it dry. Now for Barbie, we are going to make one ponytail really high. Like this. You should have something like this, and now it's time to paint the hair gray as well. We also need to add a triangle shape. This is going to be our bangs. We need to make Barbie's design closer to the original LOL Surprise Sugar Queen. She is looking so cute, I love it. We let it dry so that we can apply glitter after. Okay. And now it's time to show you the final result. This one is the original Sugar Queen. Now it's time to reveal the new member of the Sugar Queen family, the little sister. This is our little sister. She is so cute. I love her. I love the face. And now it's time to reveal the mom. Ah, I love it. Don't forget to paint the eyes brown as well, like Sugar Queen. Let me know in the comments if you like these LOL Surprise Family videos. And if you like it, don't forget to leave a comment with the family that you want me to make next. I love reading your comments. I love you a lot. You are amazing. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We are going to have videos more often, so you don't want to miss the fun. I love you a lot. Don't forget that you are awesome. I will see you soon. Mint out. Bye-bye. Oh, I have to go.
Called out one day just to hear a sound. Is someone still around?